stage the inspiring and empowering President and CEO of Lore Laurent, Miss Maria Dolores R. Astudillo. Once again, pangalawa.
To our board of directors, our founder, my younger brother, Honorable Mayor Lorenzo Rellosa. I think he has another meeting kasi nga po, kasabi niya sa amin kasi, nung magsabi siya, 3 years lang eh. Pero ngayon may binabanggit siyang governor, congressman. Teka muna. So, si Honorable Mayor Lorenzo Rellosa. Our chairman, Mr. Dave Lopez, ayan, na laging busy sa system. Our Vice President for Sales and Marketing, Mr. Sajeron Lusanto, buong buo, Dayaw. Dayaw at ang kanyang daughter daw dito.
Long lost daughter.
16 lang daw siya, no? Ayan, tigapagmana ba? Nandun din yung dalawang tigapagmana. Paano yan? So, our Vice President for Finance, Mr. Leo B. Rellosa. Ayan, lakasan yung palakpak dito. Yan ang nagre-release ng commission nyo. Our Vice President for Operations, Miss Ana Lorraine Rellosa. And of course, our Secretary, the better half of Honorable Mayor, Miss Annie De Leon Rellosa. Ayan. And to our hardworking, gorgeous, lahat na, and very vibrant General Manager, Miss Corazon Alvarado, Nina Corazon Alvarado. Hindi na ako iiyak kasi umiyak. So, our LLIC associates, business partners, our business partners, GUV family, yes, wala na mawawala. Core leaders, SBDOs, MPPs, LLIC distributors nationwide and worldwide. And of course, our champions, our awardees for this year. I want to greet all of you a happy and wonderful 4th anniversary. Ayan, 4 years na po tayo. Can you imagine? 4 years and still growing. Diba? At lahat po ito ay dahil sa inyong pagsusumikap at kasipagan. We attribute all of it to you. When we hear about making an impact, we often think of loud, dramatic changes. But the truth is, the most remarkable shifts usually happen in the quiet moments. The small acts, the steady persistence. Yun bang hindi palaging nakikita o napapansin ng ibang mga tao sa paligid natin? Things that we often think as mundane or ordinary. But those ordinary things actually count also. Let me tell you why. Making a difference is about our everyday choices. It's about showing up with integrity. It's about choosing compassion, creativity, and resilience, even when the road gets tough, even during the most challenging moments of our journey. Yan. That's how the true change is made. And that's what each and every one of you here embodies. So please give yourselves a round of applause. Yan. Bakit po? Because you are all champions today. Palakpakan naman natin ang mga sarili natin, di ba? You have all made an impact. You already nurtured Loran into what it is today. Believe me when I say you have been shaking the world. We are shaking the world. Maring hindi nyo ito napapansin, but every time you go to the extra mile for Loran, every time you choose to attend a training, mapa-online man to or offline, you already bring a new idea to the table. And, of course, you contribute to the success of Loran International Corporation.